The advent of 5G technology has had a significant impact on mobile app, offering high speeds, low latency, enhanced capacity, and improved connectivity. 5G technology is the next generation of wireless communication that promises to deliver faster, reliable, and more efficient connectivity. 5G is expected to have a significant impact on many industries and society as a whole, creating new value and opportunities across different domains. 5G will enable more devices to connect to the internet, such as sensors, cameras, vehicles, and smart appliances, creating a massive network of data and information. This will facilitate the development and growth of the IoT, which will allow for better monitoring, control, and automation of various processes and systems. It provides faster and efficient communication and collaboration both between people and between machines. For example, 5G will enable real-time collaboration in virtual environments, such as augmented and virtual reality, without the delays and lag that can currently be experienced on slower networks. 5G will enable enhanced experiences in areas such as gaming, video streaming, education, entertainment, and healthcare. For example, 5G will allow for immersive and interactive experiences in the metaverse, which is a collective virtual shared space that can be accessed by multiple users.